What's up guys, welcome to Tech Nepal. I'm your regular host Ranjit and I'm back with a new video. So if you are new to the channel, join the family by subscribing. Also follow me on social media, which will be linked in the description of this video. So let's get started with today's episodes, and I'm going to show you how to solve the missing DLL files problem in your PC. So first of all, I'll show you the problem and I'll show you the solution. So if I try to open Photoshop CC 2018, it says it's giving the system error over here, that is saying that the code execution cannot proceed because msbcr120.dll this is the DLL files which was not found. So all you need to do is you need to provide these DLL files in order to launch this application or this software. So for just to fix this kind of problems, all you need to do is go to the official sites. Okay, so I'm just going for DLL files official websites. DLL files download, go to that, and then you will find the DLL files official websites. Okay, so this is the first link, is the official websites to download any DLL files that is missing on your PC. So go to this websites and then search for the file that is missing on your PC, msbcr120.dll. This first file is the one that is missing on my Photoshop application folder. So going through that, you will find a whole bunch of options for 32 bits and 64 bits operating system. So if you know what version of operating system is installed on your PC, that's good for you. Just go for the kind of files that you need. If you have 32 bits, go for the first, second or third options. If you have 64 bits operating system, go for the fourth, fifth and sixth option. But if you don't know what version of operating system is installed on your PC, all you need to do is go to your PC. Okay, go to PC and then right click on empty part. You will find these options. Go to properties, and after going through that, you will find the system information that is installed on your PC. So I have system type as 64-bit operating system. This is the operating system that is installed on my PC, so I'll go for 64 bits DLL files. Okay, after going through that, you can simply go ahead and download 64 bits, which is the last option. Okay, I'll just download this, and your download will start in 5 seconds. So start download and open folder. So this is a zip file, so you need to have WinRAR or unzipping files, any unzipping softwares. So I'll just right click on the file and then go for extract to msbcr120. Okay, now this is the file which is extracted. Open the file, open the folder, and then copy the first file, which is the particular file which is missing on my PC. So I'll just copy it and go to the folder location where my Photoshop is installed. So I'll go to local disk C, I'll go to program files, go to Adobe. Okay, and these are the Adobe softwares that is installed on my PC. I'll go for Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So this is a folder, this is the folder where my Photoshop is installed. This is the Photoshop application. So you can find this by this process as well. If you need the shortcut method, you just need to go to the start menu go to Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 and right click on it, go to more, and then go for open file location. After that, go to Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 and right click on it, and again go to open file location. So this is the same folder, this is the same locations where my Photoshop is installed. So now going through that, all you need to do is right click on empty part and simply paste the file. Okay, paste the file and give the permission, just click on continue. Now the file is copied. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to Photoshop once again, Photoshop CC 2018, and now you can see there is no problem on opening this application or this softwares. So that's pretty much, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you have any kind of issues, you can simply go ahead and comment your problem, your issues in the comment section. I'll try my best to provide you solution, provide you the tips about that particular problem, that particular issues on the comment section as far as possible. If not, I'll try my best to include your comment in the upcoming videos as well. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care and goodbye.